Hey, welcome to Midnight Customs. Brandon here. Let me tell you what, today's a good day. I am super excited. Let me show you what we got going on. Oh, here is one of a couple of final mock-ups. But all this work in the shop, the garage shop. Anyway, I am just tickled with this thing. So I got my multi-process MIG 200 and I got my 50 amp plasma cutter sitting on there. I got some spring clamps just to imitate some holders for all the lines. And we got the ground, we got the torch lead, we got the air line and the power cord. And then on this side, I've only got 4 spring clamps. Not a big deal. I can figure it out just by looking at it the way it is. But for the MIG, we got the ground and the torch all right there. And then we'll put some other stuff on there a little bit later. But got the bottle on there. Still gonna figure out a way to put a chain holder or something to kind of keep this from walking off. But that's on there for right now. Like I said, this is just one of the last few mock-ups we're gonna do. 98% of the work is done here. I may these are already round, but I might just put like a piece of like skateboard grip tape over this. I don't think I need it, it's just a thought. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna fab up some hooks to hold all the leads. We're gonna figure out if I want to do a chain on there again or just use a strap and weld some eyes to here and there. So we'll get that sorted out, and then I guess after that the final biggest decision is what color to paint it. Do I want to go with your standard black? Do I want to go with a red, a teal? Do I want to patina it? Do I want to leave it bare metal, etc.? If you got any suggestions on a paint color, I'm all ears. Please drop a comment below and let me know what you're thinking on a paint color. I kind of don't really want to go with your standard black. I kind of want it to pop. This is my first real big project, fabbing it up with help from quite a few people's advice that I follow on YouTube. So yeah, if you got some information, some suggestions, some ideas, let me know. Drop a comment and we'll see what we got there. And then down here, I'm not sure exactly if I'm going to put a tray in there, drop a sheet over it, or just put like an expanded metal grate. Don't know about that part yet. But also, one thing real quick I was concerned about, at this degree, this is at 12 degrees. I thought it was going to slide off the back, and I was thinking I was going to have to put a bar back here. But I actually got this sitting a little forward. If you look, I got my pan dropped in there, and it catches nicely right there. So it's not going to slide off. And unless I'm doing a drag race and hit the brakes all of a sudden, this ain't gonna go falling off the front neither. And as you can see, the plasma cutter sits on that same lip. So I'm real happy. Thanks for watching. This is Midnight Customs. Welcome.